if you are using AI voice with Assistable.ai, you might want to know this. Custom functions, why should they be used and when would you want to use them? Well, there was a situation in the Skool group, in agent-centric or Assistable's Skool group, where a user was wondering, like, why is my AI voice not sending the link that I want to send? And I guess he had it in the prompt, and instead of sending the link, it would just spell it out. And obviously that's not what the user wanted. So what I want to show is how can you send the link? Say in this case, it was an appointment booking link. How can you send that if the user on the AI voice call confirms they want the link? How can we send it? Let's take care of that here now. And this is just one very basic use case of these custom values. So here we go. I'll show you the exact step-by-step. Let's pull up the screen. And so here we go. Let's build a new assistant, outbound, inbound, check mark this one, create outbound assistant. And we're going to configure this. We're going to call this custom function and tutorial. Now I want to go ahead right away, and since I know I'll keep this so basic, I'll just prompt it here. Ask the user if they want the appointment on the point. Oh, there we go. Link sent over. And then here we want to go if the user wants the link sent over, go ahead and sorry about typing here. I'm like erasing more than I'm actually typing. If the user wants the link sent, call the function, and we're going to call the function send link, and build send the value yes, and if no, then no. Okay, so we're going with a very simple yes or no situation so that we can easily send that over to our workflow. So the way we do this is we work with Go Highlevel in its workflows through an inbound webhook. We're going to set that up right soon here. Let's go ahead and give it a couple functions. One of the functions is we want to update the name and email. We want to also do end call, and we do want to do custom function. Okay, so here we're going to call this one as I had it out there. Send, I think it was send link. Here we want to, if the user wants to have the appointment booking link sent or not sent, okay, and then the endpoint here, we're going to put that in very shortly. We have to grab that from Go Highlevel. Over here, we're going to do this. I need to information if the user wants the appointment booking link or not. Confirm yes or no. And let's let's do this button here. So JSON can seem quite confusing, but if you know Jordan, he tries to simplify things a lot, and that's exactly what this does. It's so fun to play with, so fun to play with. Save the settings. Now let's go ahead and update this here. We're going to create a new workflow in Go Highlevel. We'll start from scratch. Custom function tutorial. Now what we can do here is grab the inbound webhook, and we're not going to rename that, bother doing that here now. Copy that webhook as you saw, like hit that little copy button right there. Now what we need to do is we need to pop that in here, and we need to save this again. And save that and make sure that's good. If the red stuff comes up, that could be that there's something weird going on down here, something like, you know, weird stuff. And let's just give you the example here. So something weird like that, that means that something's wrong over here, at least in this specific case. Now let's go over, yeah, that looks good. Let's go over to our workflow here. And as you can see right now, we have no results found here for this. So what we need to do is we actually, oh, and I forgot, this is not good. We're gonna have to go redo the webhook. But first you need to save and publish the workflow, okay? Oh, okay, actually I was able to save and publish it without having to exit out of this, so we're good. But this won't work if you don't have it published, just so you know. Now let's go over to call that number, and let's just make sure, did I hook that number up? No, I did not. Let's use my demo testing, the phone number there, custom function tutorial. Let's go and call on this phone on the screen here. As you can hear, it is calling. Let's find out.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
Hey, yes, no, I just want to make sure I get my appointment link.
Sure, what would you like to make sure about? Please feel free to ask any questions or clarify any details.
I'm starting to wonder if I have the right person on the line. I'll see if they want to book an appointment. Okay. That's the custom function tutorial. Custom function tutorial. Should be good. Let's try this again.
Hello, how can I assist you today?
Yeah, just giving you a call. Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you clearly. How may I assist you today?
So do you have an appointment booking link that you can send me?
Would you like me to send you the link to book an appointment?
Yeah, I would. Yes, I would.
1 second while I send you the appointment booking link.
So there you
The
see. Thank you very much. Bye now. So as you can see here, I got that through. Now this is going to give me confirmation here for the send link. And there we have it. Boom. Now for the create the contact here, I actually want to do a find. Let's delete this one. Let's find the contact. So because it did create a contact when they called in, we're gonna do this with a phone number. It's going to be, if you hit the tags here, go to inbound webhook, and you want to go to call and the from number, hit save. In here, we're going to go ahead and now we want to actually use that confirmation if they wanted it or if they did not want it, remember? So let's grab the if, else. Let's go ahead and call this yes, they want the link, and this is for no, they don't want the link. And I think from here on you probably know how to go about this, but what we want to do is, I'll just show you this a little bit here. At the inbound webhook, we want to go to the arguments. Confirmation is, and since we had a yes or a no, then this is it. Now what you would just do is simply add a text message or an email, whatever you want to do. Except for email, you'd want to make sure you capture their email. And then you can send your booking dot link. Wow, whatever. You can send your links, your conversations, whatever right here. And you could start a conversation with your bot, turn them on here by adding a tag and all that type of stuff, right? But that is how it goes. I hope that has been clear enough. And if you have any further questions, by all means, please let me know.